I'm going to show you how to make changes to GitHub repository. So to get started, first log into your GitHub account and navigate to the repository where you want to make changes. In the top left corner, you will find the settings option. Click on it to access your repository settings. Under the general option, you can easily modify your repository name. Scroll down and you will find the social preview section. This is where you can edit how your repository appears when start on social media platforms. As we scroll further down, you will discover a variety of options to customize your repository. For instance, in the features section, you can enable or disable issues, projects, and wiki based on your project's need. This allows you to tailor your repository to suit your collaboration and documentation preference. At the very bottom, you will find danger zone. Be cautious here. These settings have significant impact. You can delete your repository or transfer it to another account. Always be sure you fully understand the consequences before making any changes in this section.